What's going on here? How we doing today? How we feeling today? Not too bad?
Great.
Enjoying a little sunshine this morning?
Yes. Nice and breezy. Very comfortable.
No, that's good. Yesterday was a lunch, and you can tell temperature kicked. It definitely fired up there a little bit.
Yes.
How's our pain levels today? A little better?
Yes. Definitely. As always, that's so good.
How's the hydration keeping?
The difference that the water makes.
Hey, it's a big, especially electrolytes too. You know, the hotter we get, but not just good overall, but keeping those muscles pliable. You guys do anything for the weekend or?
It's funny you should go right to there because I was going to ask you about that. Does it feel like it's more muscle mass or something over on this side than this?
Yeah, you got a little more muscle. Probably got some scar tissue there. You know, a few trigger points. So could have got damaged at some point. And sometimes it can be a stress area too.
It is.
So
because that is constantly
pulling on you there. Yeah, it feels really ropey. So normally an ice guy, but you can use some heat on that too.
Yeah, I always have a heating pad.
Let's go flat on her back here. But what you got this weekend? Any events or?
No, we had a lifetime member in Martha Marine. He passed away, Mr. John Tate. He passed away, so his funeral is Monday.
Big guy, beard?
Yes.
Yes, I know Mr. Tate.
Yes, Mr. Tate. Awesome.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
awesome.
Big teddy bear. Yes.
So we have members night every Wednesday at Martha Point at Chapter 10. And so last night, of course, you know, it was a large gathering and stuff on. And
he would know.
He was 80 actually.
He did not then. Okay,
he did not look it. But he has been on dialysis. For quite some time.
Okay. Yeah, no, I remember Mr. Tate. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, just a sweetheart of a man.
Oh, yes, he is.
Yeah, like I said, always jovial and yeah, I remember.
You don't see one without the other.
Dude, yeah.
Him and his wife.
Roll this way here. Yes, Barbara, I believe.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah, a sweet couple. Oh my gosh. Yep. Oh my goodness. Definitely. Yeah, it is a great ambassador in the community, and just like always so kind.
He was our financial secretary as well.
Okay. How's she doing? How's she hanging in there?
Miss Barbara, you know, she's always so quiet.
Yeah. I'm sure. They've been married forever. I'm sure.
Yes. So we were taking good care of her and everything, you know.
Definitely, yeah. Prayers for the family. And there you go. Not bad here. Not bad. But,
we lost a great one with him, boy, I tell you. Such a good man.
Yeah, no, like I said, he was always just super kind and
a mentor to so many young people as well, you know.
Yeah, no, he's like I said, a good example because, like I said, not always enough good ones around, you know.
I tell you, it's not.
Do a little bit to eat this morning, my dear?
Oh, not yet.
After this.
Yes. Oh, why do we don't feel like that when I do?
Yeah, well, this one's got an extra turbo. Yeah. No, a lot of them, it always feels but this one, it goes 3 different directions and it shoots a little pulse. Most of them just go straight on. So it's got a little more, mobility to it. It's got the turbo to it. We'll definitely. I'll send
My
them.
daughter will be coming. Made her appointment.
Okay.
Thank God for those little cards.
Yeah, hey, no, get it
But she
taken
has
care.
no insurance or anything, but she has scoliosis.
Okay.
So I'm like, Dr. Sprague will take good care of you.
Yeah, the biggest thing, yeah, keeping her moving.
She'll be here on the 3rd. She has an appointment on the 3rd.
Okay.
So take care of my precious
Yeah,
cargo.
we'll get her. Hey, we'll get her going. Yeah, no. Main thing is, that scoliosis, trying to keep it moving because that way, so as she age, we don't.
Yeah, and her back has been hurt for 3 months.
Yeah, she's been suffering long time with it. Yeah, no. Yeah. Well, we'll get her going definitely, and thank you for.
And thank you so much.
But hopefully, car wheels or something.
Right.